tubers, since that was a fail, let me show you some parts I just got in the mail. Got this from Amazon. These are upgraded steering links. Now I think they were for the Armor Creighton 6S, and I got them in theory that they will hopefully fit the Sen Genesis, because I'm having a hard time finding Genesis parts, or you know, it's the same thing as the Reaper or the Colossus. I mean, you can find them, but I had trouble finding just the ends, so I figured I'd get whole links, and these are all I could find. So tubers, all preheated up, ready to go. Try a new camera spot. Yeah, buddy. She's green, she's good. She just wants to run. I just usually prime it with my finger over the exhaust. There we go. She's ready to go. Two-speed, three-speed, no biggie. Still fun. Hey tubers, hopefully you guys enjoyed that running footage. She's a screamer. Well, I decided to switch the servo saver back into the truck here. I can show you the black thing in there. You can't, of course, you can't see it. But there you go. You can see it right there, the servo saver. Now I'm just working on changing the servo because I stripped out the servo, of course. So once I get the servo changed, I got the original 45 kilogram iMod servo that I rebuilt. I'll put that back in there, and with a servo saver installed with a different spring. I think it came from like Kronos. So it's a little beefier than the one that was in there. So I think we're going to be in pretty good shape. So we're keeping the rest of the aluminum stuff in there. I just put the servo saver in there. So I think it's going to be pretty good like that. I think I'll just keep it that way for a while, and as long as that works, I'm going to stick with it, I think. Because there's other things I want to do. And I like to move on to the next thing, right? So yeah, let me change the servo out. Hey tubers. Well, the servo is there's nothing wrong with it. It actually was the servo horn that was stripped out. The teeth. And I guess you kind of hard to tell on camera, but there's no teeth in there anymore. It's stripped right out. So it looks like we gotta use one of these. But I'm gonna put the 9 iMod servo back in there. And I'm gonna save this one for a different RC. Because I want the strongest servo I can get in here. Bring this right back when I find the servo. Yep, there it is. And a brand new servo horn. I don't like these really because of the split in there, so you gotta put it on and tighten up both ends. And it's hard to get to these screws once it's underneath the truck in there. So yeah, I guess I gotta get this servo in there. Let me get it centered, and I'll get the arm on there and get her installed. Yeah, brother. One's mint. Nice wheelie. It's working smooth, guys. Whoa. Whenever you lose control, just stay in the throttle. You know, my buddy Brett Pierce, Nitro RC Life, he's putting a Revo tank on his Savage to make that new engine fit. And you know, I was thinking about that, is he won't get that lean condition when it runs out of fuel. You know, Savages, as they run out of fuel, they end up with a lean condition at the end. So you gotta tune it so it's a little rich at the beginning, then as it runs out of fuel, it's just about right. That might solve that problem anyways. I really don't like the idea of having to change my fuel tank to put a motor on there, but because of that starter. Rich and loud, baby. Everything seems good. Y'all stay confident but humble. Peace. Tubers. Yeah. She's all done, put together. Hopefully you guys enjoy the running footage I got for you. I did have to put plastic ends on here because these big ends, one thing they curved, but that's okay. That's not the problem. The problem is this is so fat. It wouldn't fit on the bottom, so I had to put it on the top. When you put it on the top, it causes the front wheels to go in and out as the suspension goes up and down. It causes, I don't know what you want. There's a name for it. I forget what you call it. But, so basically I put these right here. Come on, focus. These ball cups on there from Red Cat. I believe these are for the MT80. I got these from Red Cat because they were on clearance. One of those clearance items for the MT80. And they fit right on there for these aftermarket steering links here. Because they're like at least an M4 or an M5. There might be an M5. They're pretty beefy. So I'm pretty happy with this now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this running footage. I could tune the low end a little bit leaner, but I like to run her rich. A little on the rich side. I think she's running perfect like that. Lean it out a little bit, and if I lean it out a little more, it just gets uncontrollable. One thing I did notice, the body bounces around like that because of the front body mount, the way I have it made, it wiggles inside the shock tower. I don't know what I can do about that, but I gotta try to figure something out because I really don't like doing that. That bugs me. While you're driving it, the cab is bouncing around like that. The back one don't move, it's just the front one. I'll work on that. But hopefully you guys enjoy the running footage. I just wanted to show you guys that I had to change those link ends out. But now as the suspension goes up and down, see if I can show you. Suspension's like that. See that? It doesn't move. Hang on. I'll try to show you. It's not going to move now. Up and down. It's not moving. And they're buddies. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And I don't know, the next video will probably have Sun Genesis in it. Because it's pretty much broken in, but you know, as you run it, it gets a little more broken in. She gets a little more faster. So let's see if the Sun Genesis next time will go a little faster, shall we? But for now, hopefully you enjoy this Savage video. Y'all stay confident but humble. Peace.